Hi, it's Miss Cyberling, and today we're going to think about word choice. So our word choice is a great way to either create distance with our readers or to draw our readers closer. And so our word choice tends to be either casual or formal. And I want us to think about the options that these give us so that you have options when you're writing about the sort of tone that you're trying to create, or removing yourself a little bit from your reader, like taking a more formal approach can help you focus on setting and theme, and it might give you a little more space to give your readers more space to think about these things. If you choose to write more casually, especially in like an I first person, that might give an emotional resonance to the piece or make your reader feel more connected to the interior life of your character, but might not give the amount of space to think more thematically. So you get to decide these things as you write. So I'm going to read an example of a little paragraph that's pretty casual and then a paragraph that's a little more formal, and you can maybe see what I mean by this. So here's an example of the casual. The mountain looked intimidating. How would Xochitl ever be able to reach the top? One foot in front of the other, like all things. It's how she got through senior year. At the base of the trail, Xochitl was already sweating from nerves and heat. She always smelled bad when she was anxious. So that's a more casual tone. Formal would be, the mountain was a towering monolith carved from the sky itself. Its sheer face scowled with intimidation. Xochitl's skin was a broth of restless energy and heat. The unpaved trail ahead beckoned. So we're going to practice this, shall we? So I'd like you to get out a piece of paper or a computer, and you're going to write the opening page of a story in first person where a character recaps why today was the worst day they ever had. Try to make your language casual, like they are speaking to a friend. End with a cliffhanger, hinting at what they plan to do tomorrow to fix it. So we're going to practice writing in casual language. So if you like this exercise or you want more, you can find my workbook, the Young Writers Fiction Workbook, on Amazon. There's a lot of stuff in here, writing instruction, prompts. There's even project ideas at the end. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.